We're installing the Ubiquiti G3 Gate Starter Kit, complete with two G6 bullet cameras to enable automatic gate access. Through license plate recognition,
We'll start by unboxing the kit and going over the key components.
first we'll set up the hub, which is powered using the PoE adapter. Next, we'll install the intercom. The PIN code feature is ideal for deliveries, while the facial recognition ensures smooth and easy entry. Lastly, we'll install the two G6 bullet cameras. We've placed one camera at the entrance to monitor incoming vehicles and another at the exit to ensure a smooth flow in and out. Once everything is installed and set up, the cameras will automatically recognize the license plate and trigger the gate to open without any manual input. It's a simple, efficient way to enhance both security and convenience at the gate.